Hello and welcome to a special episode of Claire Hair. We're going to be doing the crown braid headband tutorial, and we're going to be doing Vlogmas. I'm going to be decorating my Christmas tree. We're going to start with freshly damp hair. Pretty much I'm just going to be doing a headband. It's like a hairstyle I like doing. I was doing this just to move it out the way, but this might be a future hairstyle. Okay. But anyways, I'm just doing like low manipulation hairstyles where it's like either the front is in or the back is out, something, give me something. Just so I can like give my hair a break, because if she has a colder month, it's going to be much easier for my hair to break. So we're just braiding up, and we're going to make the crown braid, and then we're going to cross them over. I just want to show you guys that I ended up twisting the end of it. I ended up twisting the end piece or whatever. But I'm going to be using my regular products I usually use is water. Also the Audacity. Make sure you have that ready. It feels so good, by the way, when you massage it with your fingers and not your fingernails. I'm using my Gorilla Stunt glue, and then the E-Bend gel. And then we're going to be slicking our hair up to the side. And you don't need a lot in the front. That's what I was going to say too, because especially if your hair is like a little bit finer in the front, you don't need a lot of gel because it's going to overwhelm the braid, and the braid's going to end up looking messy. I'm going to put a little bit more Gorilla Stunt glue on here, and then we can start with our braid. The only reason why I put gel is because I want it to last longer, like stay firmer longer. So basically when you're braiding up, you want to take that end piece and you want to braid out then up. Hear me? Braid out then up. Okay. I know it sounds crazy, but that's the only way I can truly get like a grip. At least that's my style. But I'm separating into 3 pieces. It's very fine, so I have to use like the tip of my nails to braid. So you see it, like I'm flipping it out the way. So you're braiding out. So you're going to braid down, then you're going to bring it up. You're not just going to go into the braid. You want to make sure you're capturing your edges, but you want to make sure you're not snatching your edges. So 2 more minutes, and we're going to be doing the Vlogmas for our people who are just here for the tree. I thought that'd be a cute little thing I want to start doing to, you know, just break up the video. I don't want to feel like I'm just lecturing out y'all, because if somebody's just lecturing at me, I'm going to bed. We're going to go ahead and start braiding all the way up. Almost there. And then that's pretty much the technique. It's nothing crazy. I think the most technical part would be putting like the white string into the headband piece that I made. But I've done this with actually making a Marley hair headband before. I've done this before that way, but let's use my own hair. That's gonna be my challenge this year for 2023 as well, is to use my own hair, but also use Marley texture hair that actually looks similar to mine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and braid that all the way up and braid it towards the middle and meet the other braid, but do not braid into the other braid. That sounds crazy. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're pretty much done. The tutorial is pretty much over. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I stuck the string in there, and that's pretty much my antenna there. You want to make sure you have it basically where it's long enough for the braid, so where it's not sticking out, but that it can go towards the end part of your head. Like, so basically I don't want you to have the string be too long, but you're just wrapping it around. Pretty simple. I think everybody can do this. Even if you can't braid, you could have made this a flat twist. I think it's very, very doable. It's something different for the holiday season because people always go to weave. So this is the end result, and I think it looks lovely. I feel like I'm the belle of the ball. Pretty much that's it. And then I put my little, I'm about to say snowflake headband, and that's pretty much the hairstyle. It's over. It's over. But definitely enjoy the Vlogmas. I won't be talking. I just want you to enjoy the vibes.